Well, our paint's going on the whole thing now. Matt's in there, taped out the bottom, which we jammed out yesterday, and now the sanding is done, and he's going right at the base coat. So you can see that he's got the inside done. He's working on the dash, and then he'll work on the quarter panels. He has a routine in order to keep the overspray down and frequented towards the back of the spray booth. And unfortunately, the deflection here today is a little tough. Come around to this side of the booth, maybe a little better. But you can see the difference between primer and paint. So we're into the paint color here.
Hundo.